Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Rado watches. Rado is a Swiss watch brand renowned for its innovative design and use of ceramic materials. They create high-quality timepieces that combine functionality, elegance, and durability. This men's Rado watch has a ceramic case, making it lightweight, durable, and stylish. The case size is 27 mm, which makes them compact and comfortable for everyday carrying. The watch has a sapphire crystal, which provides a high degree of protection against scratches and damage. The bracelet is also made of ceramic, which makes it durable and comfortable to wear. The watch mechanism is quartz, which ensures high accuracy and a long power reserve up to 4 years. This makes them reliable and ideal for everyday use. The watch is splash resistant, which means it can be worn while washing hands or walking in the rain. However, they are not suitable for swimming or snorkeling. In addition, the watch is in excellent condition, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and reliable watch at an affordable price. All in all, Rado is a high-quality wristwatch brand known for its innovative design, quality, and durability. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.